Welcome! In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VI, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now at the bottom you'll find your power button, click on it, and then hold power off. As you can see, this brings us the window to reboot into safe mode, so we're going to click on OK to initiate a reboot, and once the device boots back up, it will automatically boot into the aforementioned safe mode. Now in that mode, only the pre-installed applications will work, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled and neither you nor the device can start it up. Don't worry, that is completely normal. It is designed to allow you to troubleshoot your device with an idea that if you have some kind of malicious application that is just messing up Android altogether to the point that you can't really use it, putting it into this mode would obviously prevent the application from being able to do anything. Now additionally, also widgets will not work in here, and you can see even some of the Sony applications will not work in here, like the Video Creator, Music Pro. Let's see what else we got. This, I don't know if it's default. I think Booking.com is default application, and under music we have music and headphones, which also will not work. And the way you can quickly discern these applications is, well, they become monochrome, which you can clearly see. So once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one so you can use all your applications, find the little boot option again, button, and then select restart. When the device reboots, it automatically will go back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.